Okay, this is a JEE 2011 question. Sorry, I think this is JEE 2012. This is JEE 2012, last year. Just last year ಆಗಿರೋ question ಇದು. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. This is a blah 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 quadratic equation, some lengthy quadratic equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Where the condition given is a greater than -1. Then he is integrating the quadratic equation with limits. Then limit of alpha a tends to 0 plus and limit of beta a tends to 0 plus, right hand limit alva 0 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ right hand limit r what ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 8 to 10 minutes ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ it should not take more than 2 minutes for a question in AEEE or JEE. ನಿಮಗೆ AEEE ಇರಲ್ಲ, JEE, that is called JEE mains ಅಲ್ವಾ. You should not take more than 2 minutes for this question. So is there any shortcut? Yes, there is a shortcut. Let us see. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, we just notice limit of alpha ಅಂದ್ರೆ limit of one root, okay, and limit of beta, that means limit of the second root, other root. So ಎರಡು root ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now if I write like this, what is limit of alpha plus limit of beta? What is limit of alpha plus limit of beta? You remember what is limit of alpha plus beta? I can write this way, right? So limit of alpha plus beta is nothing but limit of alpha plus beta, where because ಅದು tending to 0, so common ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. I got the liberty to write like this, right? Now what is this? A plus b is equal to, a plus b is nothing but sum of the roots, right? Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. Now if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and r is the quadratic equation and alpha beta are roots, now what is sum of the roots? This is the basics, high school basics. Minus b by a, you know it alva. Similarly, what is product of roots? C by a alva, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Now if I apply sum of the roots, what is sum of the roots here? Minus b by a. What is b in this case? C. This entire thing is treated as a, ax square plus bx plus c, right? What is the sum of roots for this case? In this case, this minus this entire term divided by this term. As you know, this cannot be negative. This cannot be negative because a is greater than -1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this cannot be negative. So the final value will be minus of some positive value. So that means sum of roots is negative. Okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ limit of negative a tends to 0 plus blah blah blah. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, final value will be negative ಅಲ್ವಾ. So sum of these two, they are getting negative. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So alpha plus beta ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. -5/2 plus 1. What is -5/2 plus 1? Which is nothing but -5 plus 2/2, which is nothing but -3/2. I'm getting negative. So this can be the answer. We don't know. So what about here? Of course, minus of -1 is -1 -2/2 -3/2. This is a negative. This can be the answer. This can also be the answer because -3/2. This can also be the answer. This can also be the answer, I believe. 6/2. So ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್? c by a. c is this, a is this. So c by a should be positive. That means product of two roots should be positive. When limit is applied to the product of roots, I am getting the positive answer at last. So let us check the options here. Minus into 1, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So this can be the answer. Let us keep it on hold. Minus into plus is minus, This is not the answer. This is not the answer. Minus into plus is minus, which is not the answer. We are getting the product of roots as positive. That is happening only in option B. So B is the answer. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can solve this problem in less than 1 minute, not even 2 minutes. Fine.